Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Be Rising. This channel is all about healing the body, mind, and soul with natural remedies. We talk a lot about food, giving your body healthy, nourishing food. We talk a lot about detoxing, cleansing the body, and strengthening. And we also like to have some fun on this channel. I think I have a new thing here. For me, life is about connecting back to yourself, connecting with people, animals, and nature, and rising to your greatest potential, physically, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. Make sure you subscribe and join the Be Rising tribe. We're going to have a lot of fun recipes coming out, and we will get into nature a lot and have some fun on this life journey.